Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your baby boy ng Bacolod and Bonnie and fellow K-pop and P-pop enthusiast, Andre Martin. And for today's video, we'll be reacting to TXT's newest Japanese comeback. It's a music video and the title of the song is Will Never Change. It's from their, mini album or EP na called Chikai. Chikaya. And yes, you all know that TXT delivers best Japanese songs. Rain was just above. It's like my favorite Japanese comeback or song from them. So let's see how this goes. Will never change. I saw some clips actually online, pero it just scrolled so fast. You ang cute. It's giving Runaway, Char. I didn't expect na parang mellow pop yung vibe nito. Ang pogi. Tagal ko na hindi nakita si Kai na black hair. O diba, tagalinis lang si Soobin. Chos. Oh, so parang eto na yung day job nila. Oh. Yan yung nagbabantay, nag-aayos ng sinihan. Hindi ako aalis. Kahit tapos na yung credits. Char. In fairness, Pop Daydream. Farewell. Wow, may mga Easter eggs, Char. Oh my god. Office mate ko yan. OT tayo araw-araw, be. Char. Guilty pie. I missed black hair, Kai. Like even, I saw some photo cards sa comeback na to. Grabe. Ang ganda. Okay. Ooh. That was just so pretty. It really shows their friendship, and I think it's kind of like a message na din for their future or tomorrow selves na they'll never change at the end of the day. Sobrang heartwarming. Sobrang nakaka-warm ng heart yung video. Even the song, it's really for your besties, like more than 10-year na friendship. I really like it. That's why I really like TXT's music concept. Even TXT in general. Kasi yun talaga yung message na rinirelay nila. It's so relatable. Yes. So how about you guys? What do you think about the video? Even the song? Comment down your thoughts, your bias, and how the boys look so good. Simple and pretty na lang talaga in here in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Peace out.